Hey guys, it's Jess from GenZ, and for Christmas, my brother got a Kiwi Crate subscription, and the first box came, and it's a Tinker Crate, and it's for ages 9 to 16 plus, and we're super excited to make it and see what it is. So let's get started. So outside of the box, it tells you what the project is, and it says build your own arcade catapult. So I'm guessing it's going to be some kind of launcher or arcade game, and now we're going to open the box to see what materials we're going to be using. So right here, there's the instruction manual, and it shows you step by step what you have to do to build the catapult this way. And then there's this magazine that you can do. It shows you more projects that you can do for another time. So that's pretty cool. And then there's these different pieces of wood over here. There's some more wood pieces here. Those are some balls. There's a dry erase marker, this gray foamy paper, and then these screw-like tube things. And then there's one more thing, and it is a scorecard, so you can keep score. Part A, and this is the arcade game board piece, and the instructions were super easy to follow, really easy to understand, and it was so much fun to make. And now here's a peek on part B, which we're going to start working on, and we're going to be starting to make the catapult part. Here's the finished product. We have part A and part B. It was so much fun to make. We were able to be creative, read the instructions, and we figured it out. And I highly recommend these Tinker Crates. They were so much fun, and I would definitely do this again. And right now, my brother's going to demonstrate how you use it. So basically, you're gonna put they come with a pack of small yellow balls, and then you're gonna put it on the hole right here, and then you just pull back and shoot it. And the goal is to try to get them in one of these colored holes. And then it also comes, so there he got it in orange, and it also comes with a score sheet so you can keep score and see who wins. So that's really cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to GenZ. See you next week.